Before we can successfully use AI, we need to understand it. Introducing Fantastic Fairgrounds, a Minecraft education lesson designed to build AI literacy for students. This dynamic World's Fair introduces students to the wonders of AI. Through fun, hands-on activities, they'll practice using AI responsibly and build skills for our digital future. From the Blocky Beekeeper Sanctuary, where students track bees using AI, to the electrifying light show where they optimize power grids, and the art pavilion where AI meets creativity. Students will grasp AI fundamentals, explore real-world applications, and confront ethical questions, all while developing critical problem-solving skills. Let's equip students to understand, evaluate, and use this exciting technology. Build AI literacy and foster future readiness with Fantastic Fairgrounds today.